Welcome back to Paul B's Workshop. Today we have a 2013 Massimo model MSU 500 EFI side by side. I backed this thing up and stopped it to get it out of the way. When I went to pull it back in, it wouldn't start. So I'm going to share a little troubleshooting with you. For those of you that are not technical, want to do some basic troubleshooting. We first of all, we checked that there's a fuel pump here in the gas tank, and we checked to make sure that that pump was pumping. When you turn the key on, you can actually hear it. Not sure if you could hear that. And the fuel pumps into this line here, into the injector, and I took this loose and it was pumping gas really good. I didn't think we had a gas problem, so the next thing I did was to check the spark plug, which comes off here, and back around this side you can see the spark plug in here. Took it out and I laid it, put the spark plug, cleaned it up, put it back here where it was making contact, and I cranked the unit over, and plenty fire. So I knew that I had some other type of mysterious problem, so I gave the unit a good going over. I don't have any diagnostic equipment, but I gave the unit a good going over. And I want you to notice this this separator here. This is some type of oil vent separator line. It comes off here, and as I was looking around, you'll see that this hose is disconnected. The bottom plastic piece on the separator broke off. It's inside the hose. And this goes to the, by the way, this line goes to the top of the engine here. And then there's another hose that comes off. Don't know if you can see it. There's another clear hose that comes off. And the bottom of that hose has a block on it. It just extends down about a foot. And there's some droplets, dark spots in there. So I guess it's catching and separating some of the stuff coming out of this. I'm not even sure what this is, but anyhow, after I held this together with my hand and hit the key, cranked up first time. So I figured I'd share this with you for a little basic troubleshooting if you've got gas and fire. I'm sure there's many other things that could go wrong. But thanks for watching. Have a good day.